If you are trying to use a live wallpaper on TikTok and it is not working, it could be due to compatibility or settings issue. And here is how to fix it. TikTok does not allow you to use live wallpapers directly as your profile or background image. However, you can use video content as a background. TikTok allows you to set videos as a background for your profile. Ensure that the video you want to use is uploaded to TikTok is properly selected for the background. And after all this, if this still does not work, then simply go to the TikTok support for it. Now, tap on the profile, tap on the three dashboard, then tap on the settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on the report a problem option available at the end or bottom. Then once you tap on the report a problem, scroll till the bottom and there you will get to see chat with us option available. This is the TikTok support bot. Here you can make a specific reason or write down your problem that you cannot use live wallpaper on TikTok. They will give you the solution for it and simply follow it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.